How to stream Xbox 360 to Windows. To stream Xbox 360 to Windows PC, you can stream Xbox 360 games through the Windows 10 11's Xbox app and have it connected to your Xbox One that is playing a backwards compatible Xbox 360 game. Connect Windows July 8th. Tend to Xbox 360 by turning on media streaming in the advanced sharing settings. Prepare your Xbox 3. To use your Windows PC as a remote display to stream games and media by signing into your Xbox Live account and navigating to Profile and System. Open your Xbox settings and go to Devices and Streaming Device Connections, making sure that the Allow Play to Streaming setting is enabled. In your Windows settings, press Devices Bluetooth and other devices add Bluetooth or other device. Other tips, use the Xbox app and the Xbox Game Pass. Stream Xbox 3. On Windows PC via cloud gaming. Play Xbox games on PC using Xbox Play Anywhere. Stream games on PC using the Xbox Play to feature. Using some Xbox emulator. Learn more. 1. Stream media using Windows Media Player with Xbox 360. https://support.xbox.com/n-us/help/xbox-360/console/media. 2. Xbox Remote Play Xbox. https://www.xbox.com/n-us/console/remote-play.